spoke only her native language and shunned the ways of white people. When her husband died in 1906, she mourned in the traditional way. She cut her hair short and wore it loose, and sliced off the tip of her little finger.
Often in summer, I rise at daybreak and steal out to the cornfields. And as I hoe the corn, I sing to it, as we did when I was young. No one cares for our corn songs now. Sometimes at evening I sit looking out on the big Missouri. The sun sets and dusk steals over the water. In the shadows, I seem again to see our Indian village with smoke curling upward from the earth lodges. And in the river's roar, I hear the yells of the warriors, the laughter of the children as of old. It is but an old woman's dream. Again, I see but shadows and hear only the roar of the river. Tears come into my eyes. Our Indian life, I know, is gone.